Hello, I'm Amit Narurkar, and today we'll be focusing on a very interesting topic known as Internet, Intranet and Extranet. Now, as you see in this particular figure, there are you can see there is a network N2, there is a network N1, there is a device, a security device known as a firewall. Now, this N2 creates a private network. Now, when any device, any machine of network 2 can only communicate with any other device of that particular network only, then what exactly is formed is known as intranet. Now, when any device, for example, you go to your organization and if you can access resources of your organization only from your network of an organization, then what forms is an intranet. But when you are able to access that particular data not from the same network, but you are allowed to access that particular data from some other network, so what exactly is this? Is nothing but this is your public network. Now, this kind of architecture is known as internet. So, you are able to access the data even from outside. But, for example, you are able to access all other resources of N2 from any part of the location. But if you are an employee of an organization whose network is, for example, N2, and you are allowed to access the data only when you are in that particular network, that is only when you are in N2, I would call it as an intranet. Whether you are in N2, whether you are anywhere, any part of the world and you are able to access that particular data, I will call it as an internet. But if the whole lot of users from internet are not allowed to access, but some lot of people from the internet, say for example N1 dash, are allowed to access the data of this private organization, then what exactly forms is known as extranet. So, whenever you are in this entire N2 network, you are allowed to access all the resources. Few people from outside, only few, not the entire bunch of the public users are allowed to access the data of this particular private network, then this few set of people forms a network. That network is known as extranet. So, for example, the suppliers of your company, they need to know some information. So, this is an example, this is a concept of internet, public access, intranet, purely private. What exactly is internet, intranet and extranet. So for more concept videos, subscribe to my channel Amit Narurkar and hit the bell icon to get updates. This is Amit Narurkar signing off. Thank you.